everyone. Welcome to Eva's speaking test today. So, first part is personal information. So, the first question is, could you introduce by yourself? Introduce by yourself, like your full name, age, grade, school.
Okay. My name's Toby. I primary
School.
Elementary school. And free time play football.
So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is eggs.
Okay. What is the first step to make your favorite food?
First,
Okay. First, what is your favorite food again?
my favorite food is eggs.
So first you prepare the egg, and then you put it in the hot water, right? Okay. So where is your school bag made?
My school bag is made in Vietnam.
So your shoes are made in Italy, are they?
No. No.
Okay. So let's find the difference between two pictures here.
Okay. In picture A, the umbrella is closed, but in picture B, the umbrella is open.
Okay.
In picture A, Julia is sitting or is standing.
Okay.
But in picture B, Julia is sitting. In picture A is a museum.
Okay.
But in picture B is a hospital.
What else?
In picture A, the boy is playing.
Is playing. Okay. Is playing guitar.
Violin.
Oh, violin.
But in picture B, the boy is playing drum.
Drum. So, let's move on to part 2 here. So I'm gonna ask you a question and you're gonna answer it. Are you ready? Okay. What is Daniel's favorite food?
My favorite food is spaghetti.
Daniel's favorite food. Daniel's favorite food. Okay.
Favorite food is spaghetti.
Okay. So when does he eat it?
He
eats in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Okay. Where it is made?
He's from Italy.
So, what are the ingredients does it have?
It's a noodle, beef, tomato, and sauce.
Okay. So, how many steps are there to make it?
It's 6 steps.
Okay. So you're gonna ask me questions, please.
What's your favorite food, Jenny?
Jenny's favorite food is hamburger.
With you
When
when you
When does she eat
When
it?
does she eat it?
She eats it in the morning.
Where is you the man?
The hamburger is made in USA. Okay. Ingredients. How many? Oh, sorry. What are the ingredients?
What are the ingredients?
It's about bread, beef, and cheese.
How many steps?
Okay, there are 5 steps. Okay, let's move on to part 3. So let's talk about your favorite food and how to make it.
First, heat the pan. Next is put the oil to the pan.
Okay.
After that, fry the eggs. And finally
Eat it?
eating the eggs.
Okay, that's all. Thanks for coming. Say goodbye to our audience.
Goodbye.